boys and girls, we have already learned what a pattern is. And we have talked about how you can extend a pattern. So we are now going to continue to work on patterns, but this time, as we work on patterns, we are going to learn how to create patterns, okay? So before we do any of that, let's review the different types of patterns that we've learned about. And right here, I have got this chart. And you see at the top, it says patterns. And it tells us a pattern is something that is arranged following a rule. And I like to tell you that patterns repeat because patterns repeat. If you look right here, there are 3 different types of patterns that we've talked about. We've talked about AB patterns, ABC patterns, and AAB patterns. Now, let's look at the AB pattern. The AB pattern is repeating. It's repeating itself over and over, okay? The rule in this pattern is that it repeats and that there's 2 different objects. Do you see how it's a circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle? You could also say the rule is that it's got different colors. Let's look at that. Purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, orange, purple, orange. That is an AB pattern. And AB patterns have 2 different things, whether they're 2 different shapes or 2 different colors. A pattern could be anything, okay? My shirt kind of looks like an AB pattern. Do you see this? It's repeating, and it's got 2 different colors and different shapes on it. Okay, let's keep going. The next pattern we've talked about is an ABC pattern. Now, an ABC pattern has 3 different things in it, okay? If we looked at this pattern, you might say the rule is 3 different shapes or 3 different colors, okay? We've got a blue triangle, a yellow triangle, and a red circle. A blue triangle, a yellow triangle, and a red circle. A blue triangle, a yellow triangle, and a red circle. Now, you guys have learned how to extend a pattern, which means you could tell me what comes next, right? What would come next right there? Yeah, blue triangle, right? Okay, so that is what an ABC pattern looks like. 3 different things, all right? Now, the last kind of pattern we've talked about this year is AAB patterns. Now, AAB patterns have 2 things as well, an A and a B. That might be colors, it might be shapes, it could be anything. If you look right here, the rule looks like, let's say we've got different shapes. Well, since it's AAB, the A is going to repeat. See? AAB. My A is the square, and my B is the heart. AAB. AA, that would be B. It would be a heart, right? So you could read it by colors. Brown, brown, green. Brown, brown, green. Brown, brown. Or you could read it by shapes. Square, square, heart. Square, square, heart. Square, square. And if you extend it, you can put what comes next. So that's some things to remember. Patterns repeat. You can extend them. You can make them grow. Okay, patterns are everywhere. We can see them all over the place. Now, what we're going to work on is creating patterns. But before you can create it, you have to recognize it. So boys and girls, it's important that you're paying attention to see when you can find patterns. I bet they're everywhere, okay? All right, tomorrow I'm going to come back to you again for another lesson on patterns. And tomorrow we're going to talk specifically about creating an A-B pattern. Bye.